What's going on, people? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 3:17 a.m. on the 16th of June 2023. It is very late. It is very late right now, so this video is probably going to drop late. I've been very busy, but I'll show you what I have marked on my chart. So you can see we had a very expansive day today. We pushed bullishly into these highs here and started trading up higher. We've probably had one of the biggest moves I've seen in a very long time, to be honest. That was with FOMC and the Fed rate announcement, and you'll see that I have some targets up here for where I'm expecting price to trade into. So if I move over here, we'll see what these targets actually are. My bad, it's on the hourly. Very long time ago this. I think it was in September when these imbalances were created. Yep. Oh no, April. Wow, very long time ago. So you see that the red box I have marked out, which is this, is a bearish order block from April of last year. I've marked out from this low to this high, creating this red box underneath. And then I've also marked out the mean threshold, which happens to be the top of this candle here. So you'll see that I've marked out the mean threshold and the open of the mean threshold of this order block. So here is the highest I'd expect price to trade to if we are to turn around here. It should respect this 50% level, so that's why I've marked out that level there. Cool. So yeah, and then you'll see that there's also a fair value gap here from this high to this low is a fair value gap. That's this yellow box which I've got delineating, and I've also but you'll see that we've traded up to the 50% level of that already. So I have my eyes focused on this part mainly. I'm going to make that clear by making it two thick black lines. Well, we have the buy side liquidity line resting here, so I'm going to make that 4. So that's what I've got my eyes on for price to draw to. But obviously first we need to see if we can actually reach the open of the order block first and see if we can reach the mean threshold. It is Friday tomorrow, so I'm not necessarily expecting us to reach to this buy side liquidity just yet. However, I am expecting us to be able to trade into the order block, which is, remember, this red box here. So I'll jump back to where we are now in price action, and you'll see how we've gone into a clear consolidation. On the 4 hour, there's a fair value gap that was created. That's that yellow box. That is this yellow box I've got marked out, this high to this low. And you can see we've already traded consequent encroachment. I am expecting price to fill this range in before turning around and trading higher. You'll also notice on the hourly I marked out a bullish order block resting just below this fair value gap, because I do see potential for price to want to dip down into here. They've created relatively equal lows here, and I am expecting us to remember to reach up into these levels up here, especially this mean threshold. So if I drop down to 5 minute, you can see we're very consolidated, been consolidated since about midday, which is normal price action. When we have a big expansion like this, for the rest of the day it tends to consolidate. Although we stepped up higher, you can see there's a lot of resistance with it moving down, so I wouldn't be surprised if we got offered some kind of discount and then price pushed up higher into towards the mean threshold. So yeah, that's pretty much everything, to be honest. If I want to show you the range that we're currently trading in. This is the 4 hour, so I'm going to use this low to this high because that's our current trading range. And you'll see that we're just stuck on the 50% level of that range. That's why we're consolidating so much currently. You can see our price keeps bouncing off it. We have been offered a discount, sorry, and now it's just a matter of me waiting for London session to see if price does want to dip down and offer us another discount. If it does, it can either fill this range or it could reach down into this bullish order block and then move higher. But I'll just have to wait and see, to be honest. So tomorrow is quite there is a big news driver, a high impact, which is Michigan consumer sentiment, which is at 3 p.m. London. So I guess we'll see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark out that time on here, 3 p.m. London, 3 take away 4, that's gonna be 11. So I'm gonna mark out 11 a.m. and see where price is. You can see here we have, that's 10 a.m. All right, cool. So I'll keep my eyes on that to see what price is doing around that time. But other than that, that's pretty much everything. This has been GBP baby, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.